Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my left here, you're looking at one of our brand new meat grinders. This is going to be model HM12. Okay, so for this unit, I'm going to go ahead and start off with a sticker over here on the back. Okay, you can locate your model HM12. As I mentioned, this unit is certified by the health department. Okay, you also see your volts. Power is 850 watts, 60 hertz for this unit. Also on the back we have your plug, standard US plug. As you mentioned, it's 110 volt. Okay, so now you have your blade right here. You also will be provided with another blade that's located on the bottom of this meat grinder. Okay, we will take a picture and you'll be able to see it on the website. So the blade is going to be on the bottom as well. You also will be provided with a manual. So if you have any questions on how to use it or having an issue, all the information, all the detailed information is going to be on that manual. Okay, you also have your extra pieces here, obviously where your meat's going to be stored, where the meat goes. So yeah, this is going to be model HM12. You also have your switches over here, on and off switch. Green and red will also serve as an on and off switch. Okay, so they're both on and off switches. Model HM12. If you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact model. If you have any other questions regarding this meat grinder, you can also give us a call and we'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.